the incumbent reality. Our leaders are avoiding it. It seems like before you are sworn in as a governor, as a senator, or as a leader, you will be warned.
Don't talk about Biafra. Don't, okay.
And there is a lone voice attending to the reality. And this lone voice tilted towards separation, secession, as the only medium to achieve that aim of survival, which is Owazudike, Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa. If this issue is not fundamentally addressed after Kanu Ekpa, there shall be more and more
voices.
Because if you hold a cat and you block the airwaves, there must be struggle for survival. There must be struggle for survival. If the issues are not fundamentally addressed or attended to, we are going nowhere. So, for me, Biafra should be discussed, and also emphasis should be laid on the difference of being Igbo and being Biafra. For so many years, that propaganda of Biafra has been there, and the only way to redeem our people from it is to discuss it and reform that mindset. More people believe they are Biafra than people who don't believe that they are Biafra. From the beginning, I have always said I am not IPOB, but I call myself a Biafran. I will tell people I am not Masob, I am not IPOB, but that I am Biafra. Today, I don't call myself Biafran again. I accept that I am an Igbo man. I try to separate an Igbo man from Biafra. Biafra is beyond Ali Igbo. Am I communicating? The Biafra we inherited, we understood is beyond Ali Igbo. But Ndi Igbo, Atagezi, we have suffered so much for the sake of Biafra. And today, there is need to make the line so clear between Igbo and the Biafra.
Why do you think Nandi Igbo Ataga Fonia? Why do you think Nandi Igbo Bianisi, just like